If you're not self-employed and need to send a tax return, this video will show you how to register for self-assessment on gov.uk. It only takes a couple of minutes to do this. It's also free, secure, and saves having to print any forms. So let's get started. Before you register, go to gov.uk and search Check if you need to send a tax return. Follow the link and answer a few quick questions to help you decide if you need to register for self-assessment. Keep in mind that if HMRC has already asked you to send a tax return, you must do this. Here are some of the reasons you might need to register for self-assessment. You're a UK landlord earning more than £1,000 from property. You claim child benefit and you or your partner earns over £50,000. The highest earner should complete the tax return. You have capital gains tax to pay. You receive annual income from a trust or settlement. You have untaxed income that cannot be collected through your PAYE tax code. Your income for 2022 to 2023 is over £100,000, where you pay tax through PAYE, or over £150,000 for the 2023 to 2024 tax year onwards. You can find out more about who needs to send a tax return on gov.uk. To use HMRC online services, you need a Government Gateway account. If you've already got one, have your user ID and password ready. If not, don't worry, you'll just need to create your sign-in details. It's easy to do this. Go to gov.uk, search HMRC online services, and follow this link. Scroll down the page and select Sign In. You'll see an option to create sign-in details. Doing this is quick, and then you're ready to go. When you're ready, type this web address into your browser, or just select the link we've included in the video description below. Now, you'll need to sign in, so just enter your user ID and password. Once you're in, you'll see this form. Answer all the questions that apply to you, and when you've filled everything in, select Next. It'll take you to this summary. Check your details, and if you spot something isn't correct, just go back to change it. Once you're happy, go ahead and select Submit at the bottom of the page. Now you're all done, and this is your confirmation to show it's been sent. There's no need to call us. If we need anything else, we'll get in touch. You'll get a unique taxpayer reference, also known as a UTR, in the post. You can find it sooner by logging into your online account or in the HMRC app. Keep this safe. Your UTR is like your national insurance number. It stays with you for life. And you'll need it every time you deal with your self-assessment. You must register for self-assessment by the 5th of October, so make sure you give yourself enough time to do it. Remember to submit your tax return and pay any tax you owe by the 31st of January, or even earlier if you can. For more information, check out our other videos on the HMRC YouTube channel, or search self-assessment on gov.uk.